Alright, here is example time. On 1st April 2000 X8, the fair value of the Z leasehold property was 100,000 with remaining life of 20 years. The company policy is to revalue its property at each year end at 31st March X9. The property was valued at 86,000. The balance on the revaluation surplus at 1st April X8 was 20,000, which relates entirely to the leasehold property. Z does not make a transfer to the realized profit in excess depreciation. The requirement is to prepare extract of Z financial statement for the year ended 31st March X9, reflecting above information. State how the accounting would be different if the opening balance surplus did not exist. So, my working one simply to compute the depreciation, that is 100,000 divided by 20 years, and my depreciation is 5,000 per annum. And then my working two is revaluation of the asset. So simply uh, carrying amount of leasehold at 31st March X9, simply that is 100,000 minus 5,000 depreciation. Oh, so that's gonna be 95,000, right? But leasehold valuation at 31st March X9, 86,000. So my valuation loss is 9,000, right? So loss on valuation is 9,000. So number two, if the opening revaluation did not exist, then the revaluation loss of 9,000 would need to be taken through the statement of profit or loss as an impairment expense, right? And I hope you get it till here. This example, I hope you get it. And that's it with the solution.